Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to create budget categories in Digit. While Digit focuses on automated savings, it also provides tools to help you better understand and manage your finances through budgeting categories. These categories allow you to track your spending habits and ensure that your money is being allocated wisely. So let me show you what to do. First, access the budgeting feature. To do that, all you gotta do is open the Digit app and go to the Insights or Spending tab. If budgeting is available for your account, you're gonna see an option to manage or view your spending categories. Next, enable budgeting. Now, some users may need to activate this feature. Just follow the prompts to enable budgeting tools if they're not already turned on in your Digit account. Next, view existing spending categories. Digit automatically tracks your spending and groups transactions into general categories, like groceries, dining out, transportation, bills and utilities, as well as entertainment. Customize categories if supported. Some versions of Digit allow renaming or merging categories. So if your account allows it, you can just tap on a category to rename it. You can also combine two similar categories if you want simplified tracking. Next, set budget limits for categories. Within each category, you may be able to set a spending cap. Digit then alerts you if you're nearing or exceeding that amount, which of course helps you to stay accountable. Review monthly trends. Use Digit's graph and monthly summaries to analyze exactly where your money goes. Look for spending spikes and find opportunities to save more. Next, use budget data to adjust goals. If you notice overspending in one category, you want to consider adjusting your saving goals, or you could reallocate your budget to ensure that you're on track. With budgeting categories in Digit, you gain visibility into your spending habits while of course staying aligned with your financial goals. It's a smart way to manage both savings and expenses, all in one place. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.